Hey, what is up guys? It's Jason here and we're back with another unboxing video, and this time we only have one merch, one item, you know the drill. Here it is, and I don't even think I need a scissor to open this because it has a little flap in the back that I could just kind of rip open. I have no idea what the address is, but I have an idea of what it might be, so we're just gonna jump right into it. Today is Christmas Eve, so that means tomorrow is Christmas Day, and it was my sister's birthday today. She turned 12. We got it. There we go. Ooh, let's see what we got here. Oh, I think it's here. Yes, it is. It is definitely here. I just gotta figure out how I'm gonna open this now. Oh, okay. There, I actually have to cut it open. Okay, there's a streamer that I've been watching as of recently, and he goes by Hasanabi, aka Hassan Piker. Recently, he just got unbanned by Twitch for saying the C word. I'm not even gonna reiterate on here. I think it's such a stupid reason to get banned, but it is what it is, I guess. But he's back. He's back, and a couple months ago I ordered some merch from him. I ordered this t-shirt and a hoodie, and yeah, he was making merch, so in celebration of, you know, the things that he's doing, I decided to support him. This is a unionized tee, so pretty basic design, and here's the back. I don't want to put it on simply just because I want to make this as short as possible. I don't want to take off my shirt in front of you guys. So this is what it looks like. It is in a pretty fairly large size. That's good for me. I'm going to try it on, and then I'm going to tag him in the Insta post, and then, you know, spread the good word, because I finally got it. I'm just waiting on the hoodie whenever that comes around. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, this is a short one. Pretty nice hoodie. I like, not hoodie. Pretty nice t-shirt is what I meant to say. I'm gonna edit this out so you guys won't have to see me say stupid things and that type of stuff. That's the video, and they just keep stacking up. Hopefully one of these days I do get around to editing those videos, because I no longer have classes. And you're asking, what am I doing? Just taking it easy, you know, playing some Roblox, watching that Neon Genesis, and I do really have to get around to Attack on Titan because the part 2 to season 4 is coming out in like 18 days, and I'm still in season 1. I know I've been lacking, leave me alone. Yeah, this is it. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you guys later.